Hey guys, what's up? It's Scudder85 back in another unboxing. This time, as you can see, it's for Resident Evil 2 on the Xbox One. So, yeah, this is the remake. Really looking forward to playing this. The demo was awesome. But yeah, I I'd never played the original back in 1998, probably because I was 13. So yeah, never mind. So obviously we've got Leon and Claire on the front. And there's the side. And then there's the back. A rookie cop's first day on the job, a student searching for a missing brother, a city on the verge of collapse. So it is Xbox One X enhanced 4K Ultra HD and high dynamic range. And the install size is up to 25 gig. And then inside we have, when I can get the bloody thing open, absolutely nothing apart from the disc. So yeah, that's my rather quick unboxing of Resident Evil 2 on the Xbox One, guys. If you like this, please do be sure to check out my other videos. But for now, guys, I will catch you later. Thank you very much for watching. Bye bye.